Alright, so I've been having trouble getting my truck started. That's a 93 F150 with the straight 6. It was not priming, so I checked everything out. Whatever went under the fuse box, I checked the relays, and I had power on the relays. I had power there. I actually checked the relay with the multimeter. It was okay as far as I can see. So my next thing I did was I checked the fuel safety shutoff, which is inside, just on the right side of the truck. It's up in there. There's a little red button right there, and you check that for power. And see, I had power there. Okay. So I had power all up in the front. So the next thing I did was go under the truck to the fuel tank, and I checked the wire. I checked the positive wire, which is it's the second one to the right. From the left, you go over one wire, that's a positive, and I didn't have any power there. So I looked online, whatever. It ended up it was my fuel tank switch. So I went and I got a new switch for like 13 bucks. And now my truck starts right up. There it is. So if anyone is having this issue, check those three things, and that should fix it. But yeah, it's really simple. It was a bad switch. That's what was causing my truck not to start. Alright, wish you guys luck.